There was no snow out here less than an hour ago. There was out there, but the driveway was clear. And look at it coming down out here, folks. We'll see. We're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches, so we'll see how much. We'll come back out here and take a video tomorrow. And just wanted to show you it's coming down. And yeah, so and pretend that he is Parson Brown. I'll come right back out here tomorrow and look at the driveway and see. But you can do the job. I'll stand right between these two vehicles here. Let's see. I'll come right out here and we'll have a video just like this. Wait a minute, see, I'm between two vehicles. And we'll take this video tomorrow, right? Have a good night, everybody. Stay warm.